Tim Jackson, and thank you for your interest in music technology. I teach on the music tech course. I also teach on the popular music course. I have a degree from the University of Leeds in popular music studies, and I've been playing in bands and recording bands, ensembles and various types of audio for many, many years. I love music technology because for me it's the perfect balance of art and science, and we all love a bit of art and science, don't we? Now, music technology. Some people won't have done music technology at school. Some people will have done music technology in school. This course is really for either the musician who wants to record their work, who wants to work on arrangements and feel that they can't play drums, can't play piano themselves, so it enables the computer to do those things for you. Or for someone who's interested in the technological side, who's interested in recording and manipulating sound. It's an extended certificate, which is equivalent to 1A level, and it's a combination of practical and written work. Key topics. Now we work on sequencing, so we work on the computer generating music that you put into it. We work on remixing, which is taking apart existing music, remixing it, changing it up, changing the style, putting it back together. Music and sound for media is about doing sound, so footsteps, movement sounds, special effects, and music, writing music for media, so for film, for adverts, for apps, things like that. Mixing and mastering is a process of taking some recorded songs or something that an artist has done, making it sound better, adding reverb, adding delay, different editing techniques and things like that. Modern music production is kind of the culmination. It's your second year big project. You work with a band or artist, you produce them, you talk about how they want their record to sound, and you work with them to record and mix and master in the way that they want. Skills development. Now, listening and analysis is a very big skill, because before you do anything you need to listen to modern pop records, old records, and understand how it's put together in terms of production and also instrumentation and things like that. Recording, we get in the studio, we record outside, inside, different places, but the studio is where a lot of our recording happens. We have a fully equipped studio with lots and lots of different types of microphones that you'll find out about. Mixing, as I said, is a big part of being a music technologist in these times, being able to take someone's work and then evolve it, mix it, change it, make it better. Producing is kind of working with an artist from the very start when they have a song to the very end when that song is finished. It may be you do the mixing, maybe you get someone on board to do the mixing for you, but working with that artist to produce, to really hone their music. And Foley is an interesting one. It's something that possibly most people haven't done. It's the process of recording sound for film, which we do touch on this course as well. Enrichment. Music technology has an interesting part to play in lots of other different enrichments. We have a radio station which broadcasts once a week. You can get involved with creating radio shows and presenting radio shows. We do the live sound for any gigs and performances that happen. And also we can support the other enrichment that goes on, like the rock bands, the pop bands and anything like that. We can help support and facilitate them. During Industry Week we have industry professionals come in. We have students come in, ex-students come in who are now working on video games, creating music and sound for video games or films, or working in the industry, that were in a recording studio or as producers. It's a really fun time to really showcase what the industry has to offer for you out there. Progression. University, yes, there's plenty and lots of different music and music technology courses out there for you. Music technology production, digital music, sonic art, sound arts, music and sound for film and film for media. There's lots of combined as well. If you're a musician, there are lots of combined art degrees out there, so you can do, say for instance, pop music and production. There are lots of universities doing courses like that. Career options: if you want to go straight into the industry, you can be working as a producer or an engineer, a remixer, sound designer, studio assistant, lots of stuff in film and TV. Games, video games, a big money earner these days, and the media products as well. There's lots and lots of income streams out there for you. If you would like any more information, please contact me. My name's Tim again, I'll say, which is jacks@richardtaunton.ac.uk on screen. There's also a Padlet I've created, which gives a bit more information about what we do on the course. The link is there for you to type in on there, and Thank you very much for listening, and we hope to see you in September. Bye-bye.